Welcome back, Windows enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a quick fix for the frustrating software installation failed error on Windows 11. Stay tuned as we troubleshoot and resolve this common issue. Let's get your installations back on track. Hit that like button and subscribe for more tech solutions. Search Regedit. Click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Double-click on hkey_classes_root. Double-click on Msi.Package. Double-click on Shell. Right-click on Shell. Click on New. Click on Key. Type name runas and press Enter. Double-click on Default. Copy the command from video description. Paste here. Click on OK. Right-click on Runas. Click on New. Click on Key. Write name command. Double-click on Default. Copy the command from video description. Paste here. Click on OK. Right-click on Windows Start. Click on Shut Down or Sign Out. Click on Restart. I hope this tutorial helped you, so please like, comment, and subscribe.